Audi just pulled the sheet off the highly anticipated 5th-generation 2027 Audi A6 Allroad Quattro. And let's be honest, this thing looks absolutely mental. For the first time ever, Ingolstadt gave the Allroad a legitimate wide-body architecture, making it a staggering 11 centimeters wider than the standard A6 Avant. It borrows its aggressive footprint straight from the RS6 handbook. But while the standard V6 mild hybrid and that new 95-kilometer plug-in hybrid option are making waves, getting your exterior spec right is where the real fun begins. Today, we're breaking down the 8 official factory color options for the 2027 A6 Allroad so you can choose the ultimate daily wagon. First up, the baseline, Arkona White. This is the lone solid, non-metallic color in the lineup. Because it's a crisp, flat white, it provides the absolute highest contrast against the dark, rugged wheel arch cladding. If you want that classic, utility-forward stormtrooper aesthetic without paying an extra paint premium, Arkona White hits the spot perfectly. If you want that white aesthetic but need it to look premium under the sun, you step up to Glacier White Metallic. This tone has a distinct, cool, icy undertone, and the metallic flake adds immense depth to the wagon's widened rear haunches. It looks incredibly sharp when paired with the optional 21-inch alloy wheels. Next is a classic German staple, Florett Silver Metallic. Silver wagons have a massive cult following, and on the 2027 Allroad, it looks incredibly technical and mechanical. It accentuates the sharp body lines cutting across the doors and handles road dirt brilliantly if you actually plan on taking this thing off the tarmac.
For the stealth crowd, we have Mythos Black Metallic. If you aren't a huge fan of the contrast plastic wheel arch cladding and want to hide it, this is your ultimate cheat code. Mythos Black blends the body panels and the rugged trim into one seamless, aggressive executive cruiser that looks incredibly menacing from the front profile. Now let's talk about the absolute star of the show, Plateau Gray Metallic. This is Audi's official hero launch color for this generation, and it's easy to see why. It's a sophisticated, modern hue that perfectly matches the Allroad's dual personality, looking right at home parked outside a high-end restaurant or covered in mud climbing a mountain trail. If you want something incredibly regal, Firmament Blue Metallic is the move. It's a deep, rich navy tone that looks subtle in the shade but absolutely pops with bright blue undertones under direct sunlight. It provides a stunning upscale contrast if you option the aluminum exterior trim package.
For the true wagon purists out there, Audi answered our prayers with Madeira Brown Metallic. Brown wagons are legendary in the automotive community, and this deep, earthy metallic shade completely leans into the active lifestyle overlanding aesthetic. Pair this with a brown leather interior package, and you have an instant classic. Saving one of the absolute best for last, Midnight Green Metallic. Green is having a massive resurgence in the luxury car world right now. This is a dark, moody forest green that gives the Allroad a rugged, adventurous British countryside vibe. It acts as the perfect nod to the original 1999 Allroad heritage. With the wide-body stance completely redefining the Allroad's presence, your color choice dictates the entire vibe of this wagon. Are you going stealth mode with Mythos Black, leaning into the adventure with Midnight Green or Madeira Brown, or sticking to the launch spec Plateau Gray? Drop your ultimate spec in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming driving dynamics review, and I'll catch you in the next one.